Hi, I am Wan Tian. I want to discuss above the if-else statement and switch case method. For this method, it includes if statement, if-else statement, if-else statement, and the switch case statement. They are the condition statement and we can use them to make decisions. The if statement is probably one of the most frequently used statements in JavaScript. It only executes the statement when the given condition is true. If the condition is false, it will not run any statement. The if-else statement enhances the decision-making capabilities of the JavaScript program by providing an alternative true ending and else statement to the if statement. Let's say if you want to check more than two conditions, you need to use if-else if statement. By using this method, we can run blocks of code depending on whether the condition is true or false. To make it easier, if the condition have two sides, we can use the if-else statement.
For the switch case statement is multiple cases match a case value. If the multiple cases match a case value, the first case is selected. In case if there is no matching cases are found, the program continues to the default label. If no default label is found, the program continues to the statement after the switch. For switch case statement, we need to use a break statement. This break statement is to tell the JavaScript interpreter to break out of the switch case statement block once it executes the code associated with the first true case.
Now we want to do if-else statement. We create a variable x equal to 100 if x less than 20. It will display x is less than 20. We create another condition. If x more than or equal to 20 and x less than or equal to 80, it will display x is between 20 and 80. If the two condition is false, so it will execute else statement and it will display x is more than 80. We see the output of x. So the output is x is more than 18 and value of x is 100.
Now let us start the switch case statement. First, we need to declare the variable x equal to 8, y equal to 2, and operand as op. Then we need to type document dot write if x equal to 8 and y equal to 2 for the user to see. Next, we type the prompt box for user to enter. Enter the operation. Now we start the switch case statement. Case operand add. User enter operand add, it will come out answer is 10. Then we need to break the case. Next is the operand minus the user enter operand minus, it will come out answer is 6. Break the case. Next is operand multiplied. If the user enter operand multiply, it will come out answer is 16. Then break the case. Last is the case for operand divide. If the user enter operand divide, it will now answer is 4. Now we break the case. If the user enter unknown operation, it will come out unknown operation, please try again.
So now I talk about the if-else statement and switch case statement. So I want the user to enter their choice. So I using if-else statement to identify the user is enter the valid choice. So if user enter the invalid choice, it will display this code. So the program will terminate. So now I want to use switch case to identify the price. So if user choose 1, so the price is 2 ringgit 30 cents. So it is 2 of 3, it will display each price. So let us to see the output. So it will display this page. So will let us see the output. If user choose 1, it will display their price up. If user enter invalid choice, let's say 5, it will display invalid choice. Then the program will terminate.
Now let's do some if-else and switch case example. First of all, we need to declare a variable to get input from the user. Let's say we get input from either A, B, or C. Then we need to give an if input equal to A or input equal to B or input equal to C. Then we switch the input. First, switch case A. the input is A, then it will display you have entered A. After case A, we need to give a break in order to switch. Case B. If the input is B, then we display after you enter this unit, we need also to input a break statement in order to block case B. If the input is not the ABC, we will display invalid input and the program will terminate.